Right, I have. Okay, has to be upright. I don't want it upright. Fuck off. Right.
Only that we're back at Cwmbowydd Road again to help clear some weeds that have grown back since we were last here. Hopefully he's making sure they'll never grow back again.
What made you join us, Dan?
Well, I love railways and trains, they're my hobbies. And we desperately need a railway up and running again in this area, don't we?
Agreed.
Yes, so I'm gonna do whatever it takes to help bring it back to life again.
How did you hear about us?
Well, it was Bruce that told us about it. Told us about you.
Yes, yes. Okay, thanks Daniel.
Hey, you're welcome.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Any questions to ask to the volunteers, please comment. Hello Philip, what are you doing?
Digging my own grave. There's a lot of water in it at the moment.
There you are. Why are you digging your own grave, Phil?
I don't know. No, I'm just clearing the dishes out. Drain the track again. And we're getting there.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to put towards the people of the world?
Well, it's a lot better than it was, believe it or not.
I agree with you there. Right. Thanks Phil.
You're welcome.
As you see, not much has changed. No trees, loads of water, and 2 volunteers. 3 with me. Waiting for someone else. It's not much of a live stream, but it's something. Hello there Daniel, again.
Hello.
What's your duties?
Is to cut these bushes away from the track.
Make it look nice, is it?
Yes, well, and to make way for the trains as well.
Oh yes, I see. Thanks, Daniel. Well, that's it for now, guys. If I get more, I'll put another one up. Thanks.